ChatGPT is one of the most powerful tools you can use today, but most people never unlock its real potential. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT the right way, how to give strong prompts, and how to command it so you always get the best results. Think of ChatGPT as your smart assistant. It can write, research, plan, explain, organize, script, break down ideas, and even help you start an online business.
Wow!
But there is one simple truth. The quality of your output depends on the quality of your prompt. The clearer you are, the smarter ChatGPT becomes. Start with your goal. Before you type anything, ask yourself, what exactly do I want? A YouTube video script? A voiceover? A description? A list of ideas? A full tutorial? Tell ChatGPT the exact task you want it to do. Next is context. This is where most people go wrong. You must tell ChatGPT who the content is for, the tone you want, and the style. For example, write this in simple English for beginners, or make the script engaging, or use a natural flow that sounds good when read by 11 Labs. When you give context, ChatGPT shapes the answer to fit your goal perfectly. Then add details. If you want a YouTube script, mention the length, the energy, the audience, and any important points you want included. If you want something rewritten, say what to improve: clarity, flow, punchiness, or structure. ChatGPT responds instantly to clear direction. And here's the most important part. You don't have to accept the first answer. Refining is part of the process. You can say, make it shorter, make it more engaging, add a stronger hook, or rewrite this with more confidence. ChatGPT improves with every instruction. Treat it like a creative partner, not a magic button. Now let me give you some powerful prompt ideas you can use anytime. For YouTube content, you can say, act as my YouTube scriptwriter. Create a 3-minute voiceover about this topic in a natural flowing tone, suitable for 11 Labs. You can also say, rewrite this to be more engaging, or make this beginner-friendly with simple explanations. For productivity, ask, explain this topic like I'm a complete beginner, or give me a step-by-step plan I can follow today. For business and making money online, give me 10 simple online income ideas I can start today with no money, or break this idea into an actionable strategy. For writing and editing, rewrite this to sound more professional, or improve the readability and flow. If you want consistent results, always use the formula: role, task, tone, length, details, and refinement. Role: tell ChatGPT who to be. Task: tell it what to do. Tone: tell it how to sound. Length: short, medium, or long. Details: what must be included or avoided. Refinement: ask it to adjust until it's perfect. When you follow these steps, ChatGPT becomes incredibly powerful. You'll get better scripts, clearer ideas, stronger content, and professional results every single time. Learning how to command ChatGPT is one of the most valuable skills you can have. And now you know exactly how to do it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT the right way. Set a clear goal, give context, add details, follow the formula, and refine your results. With the right prompts, ChatGPT becomes a powerful tool for content creation, learning, business, and more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful AI tutorials and content creation guides.